All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And today's all about maintenance on the Shelby GT350. I'm at Ford right now. Just want to go ahead and pick up an oil filter. I already got my oil, AMSOIL 5W50 full synthetic. You guys know how we rock. I always come to Ford to get the filtered because in all reality, there's no difference between getting it, online and getting it at the dealership. So I always just go ahead and pull up to the dealership to get it and then head over to where I need to go to do the service. Now, I need to get the oil change. I need to get the supercharger oil change because the ESS G3R head unit needs an oil change. We're gonna get all that done today, and we're gonna make sure that we're good to go because we are preparing to turn up the boost and making a little bit over 900 horsepower. All right, so I'm headed over to a little quick lane right now because I need to pick up the filter. That's where it's at. And then we're gonna head over to the shop at the Performance to get everything done today. Like I said, we gotta do the oil as well as the supercharger oil. I'll pull up here. If I had time, I'd go ahead and walk the lot, but we ain't got time for that today. In fact, I'm just pulling up right here. Yep. Park right here. Go get my oil filter, and then I gotta go hit an E station, head over to the shop, and get everything underway.
One eternity later.
All right, so we got the filter. Whew. Now it's time to go ahead and make our way over to the E85 station. Pump some gas. We can make our way to the shop. It's a hot one, y'all. It's getting real hot. Honestly, I don't remember the heat being this bad. Like last year, I don't remember the heat being this bad. All right, hopefully there isn't traffic because your boy is a little behind today. And by a little, I mean kind of a lot. But it's all good. Cook, chat. This car's coming behind. It might be cooked. There might be way too many cars. I don't know, I hope not. If I can get where I need to get to quick. I made that stupid mistake. I was like, I'll get gas in the morning. Yeah, sure you are. Oh my gosh, I should have went out last night and got gas before I went to bed because, boy, I swear, man, whenever you say, I'm gonna go get gas in the morning, you always think about the headache, you're incredibly tired, like fatigued, you're not really trying to get up. It's like, go ahead and get like a C7 Z06 right now, I think it would ruin everything. Say if I were to get like a G80 M3, well, honestly, you know, if I could go ahead and squeeze a G80 M3, I would go get it 100%. But man, get like an M2 or some shit like that. I don't know. What's the better car, the G80 M3 or the M2? I think it's like the G87 M2. What is the better car technically? In all reality, I think the G80 M3 technically, like if we're talking about like just usage wise, I think the G80, that shit is cool too. I think the G80 M3 might be better, just for the fact that, you know, it's a 4-door and you can get them to move pretty well, you know what I'm saying, with just some bolt-ons. You know, downpipe tune. Oh my god. 85 pump down. The pump on the other side does not work. That's like the straight up Jeepers Creepers truck right there. So I guess I'm just waiting right now. Actually, hold on. Hold on, y'all. Instead of just waiting around. Oh! God bless you, sir. About to say, instead of just waiting around. No. God damn it. Finally got a pump. Clean out all this garbage. Don't need that. Hey, there we go. Alright, well, just gotta go inside. Alright, y'all. We are about to be pulling up to the shop very, very shortly. Truck and a trailer, that's what I need. Low key. That is what I need. Hopefully it isn't jam-packed up here, because sometimes when I be pulling up, they be doing construction and they'll shut down one of the lanes. But I only think that's happening like in the afternoon, and it's still in the morning, so hopefully we can go ahead and bypass all that. That was kind of clean right there. Looks like they are starting to do construction down here, though. My gosh. There we go. You have to hit that wicked angle. Alright, y'all, we're pulling up. We're about to go ahead and get all this done today. Might be really curious about that car. I wonder how it's gonna be performing. Let me go ahead and like actually park up accordingly. I'll be back. You can't drive, it's okay. You can't drive. Oh, it's close. Oh no, you're good. It's okay, I suck at reverse parking too. Getting that fresh oil change. Check the belt. The belt actually looks pretty good. I mean, and I've been kind of going crazy. No, that's not belt residue. That's just from driving in the rain. Yeah, I'm actually like pretty impressed with the with the 6 rib. I ain't gonna lie. Because with the Pro Charger, like it had like belt slip with that with the really? 488. Yeah.
Yeah, the ESS kits they just
yeah, I'm actually like really impressed. Like 27, like it's about 2,700 miles on it.
And the belt still looks like new.
Yeah, and this is the black belt too. I think honestly with the other black belt I had in the Pro Charger kit, I think it snapped around. It definitely snapped before 2,700 miles.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, I think I snapped the first belt like at like 25. Like it was like it was ridiculously quick.
Yeah, we haven't really had any belt issues with any ESS kit that we've installed, except one car, but we were testing some limits on it. So
yeah. And
yeah, they seem to work.
Yeah, that was a way smaller pulley, but you know, 115. Not bad, not bad.
It was a syringe.
Oh, there we go.
Now it's starting to suck it up.
Yep. That's a lot.
Yeah, 3 ounces in there.
Okay.
We probably only got about 1.5 ounces out, so there still should be some left in there.
Seems easy enough.
Yeah, it's easy.
At first I was like, because they said that, I was like, huh? But you have to do because usually it's a drain plug, we can just suck it out.
Yeah, no, it just comes right out. May have gotten a little bit out, actually.
Honestly, this seems kind of easy. Well, obviously draining is technically easier, but I feel like this is like less mess.
Yeah.
Like if you're careful with it, because you could just, you know.
Yeah, it's very simple. Usually sometimes these syringes aren't the best. If you get a good syringe, if you were to buy a better one, you could suck it all out in one shot. But right now it's
not bad.
No, this is what comes with the ESS.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
All right, 3, 2, 1. it looks horrible outside. Pretty sick lineup. Not bad, not bad. Boosted CJ. Got the brakes I need, low key. And I need the aerospace brakes on my car, but apparently you actually lose the e-brake with the aerospace brakes. Man, this car's gonna be nasty when it comes out. Absolutely nasty. And of course, my luck, it starts to absolutely downpour on my way home. Really? You've got to be kidding me. Well, I'm about to take this real slow, y'all. I'll catch y'all when I get off the highway, because I'm definitely gonna need to focus up 110% driving on ET3Rs in the rain like this. Ah, dang it. All right, back at the casa. It's a few days later, man. We braved that spontaneous rainstorm. Definitely do not like driving in the rain in ET3Rs. It's super sketchy, but we were able to go ahead and make it home. So if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. We are one step closer to making 900 plus horsepower in the Shelby GT350. Smaller pulley coming up, and we're gonna go ahead and test it out, because we have a couple of race events coming up in the very near future that we're going to need 900 plus horsepower. Be safe out there, y'all. Deuces.